How to tie a furoshiki in the style of Hon Tsutsumi with flower knot. Choose your furoshiki. This one is our Pastel Tulips print. Lay it flat, printed side down, and then turn it so it's on a diagonal. This technique is great when you have two items of the same size, like two books, or in this case, 2 boxes of chocolate. Place your items in the center, with some space in between. Wrap the fabric around one item and roll it once more towards the center. Repeat on the other side. Turn the furoshiki and take the 2 remaining sides, pull them to the center, and cross them over each other. Next, fold one item over the other and stand it upright. Bring the 2 pieces to the center and tie them with an elastic. Tuck the ends into the elastic to make 2 puffs. Fan these out to make a flower.